Hello, and welcome to my channel, Empowering Finance with Technology. My name is Arnab Dutt. In this video, we are going to explore one of the most powerful and exciting additions to modern Excel, the Lambda function. Until recently, if you wanted to create your own custom functions in Excel, you had to rely on VBA and user-defined functions. That meant writing code, dealing with macro warnings, and facing compatibility issues when sharing files. With Lambda, all that changes. The Lambda function allows you to create custom, reusable Excel functions only using formulas. No VBA, no macro. Once defined, the Lambda function behaves just like a built-in Excel function. You can name it, reuse it across your workbook, edit it directly in cells, and share it seamlessly with others using modern Excel. We shall start by calculating gross profit percentage, and compounded annual growth using traditional Excel formula. So you clearly understand the logic behind each calculations. Then step by step, we shall convert the same formulas into Lambda-based user-defined functions. By the end of this video, you will see how Lambda can simplify complex formulas, reduce repetitions, and make your spreadsheet cleaner, more readable, and far easier to maintain. So if you have ever wished Excel let you build your own functions without touching VBA, this video is for you. Let's get started.
Lambda function. Lambda function in Excel. The Lambda function is a powerful addition to modern Excel that allows users to create custom functions directly within Excel formulas, without writing VBA code. With Lambda, you can define reusable logic once, and then call it like any built-in Excel function. Syntax equals Lambda, parameter 1, parameter 2, calculation. Parameters, inputs to the function, similar to arguments. Calculation, the formula that uses those parameters and returns a result. Before Lambda, creating custom functions in Excel required VBA-based user-defined functions, UDFs. Lambda significantly improves this process in several ways. Created entirely using Excel formulas. Functions do not trigger macro warnings. Functions work seamlessly when shared with others using modern Excel. Functions can be edited and tested directly in cells. Once defined, a Lambda function behaves like a built-in function. First, we shall compute gross profit percentage, and compounded annual growth using the normal formulas. Click cell B5. Input the formula as shown on the screen. Input equals B3 minus B4. We get the gross profit for year 0. Drag the formula to cell L5 to have gross profit for all the years. Format the cells to 0 decimal places. Now we shall calculate gross profit percentage. Go to cell B6. Input equals, open bracket, B3 minus B4, close bracket, divided by B3. We get the gross profit percentage for year 0. Drag cell B6 to L6 to get gross profit percentage for all the years. Now we shall calculate the compounded annual growth rate for sales, COGS, and profit. Go to cell C8. Input equal sign. Open bracket. Input C3 divided by B3. Dollarize B. Close bracket. Input caret sign. Open bracket. Input 1 divided by C2. Dollarize 2. Close bracket. Subtract 1. We have obtained the CAGR of sales for year 1. Drag cell C8 to cell L8. Extend it to L10 to obtain year-wise CAGR of sales, COGS, and gross profit. Now we shall use Lambda to create user-defined functions and obtain the same result. Press Ctrl F3 to obtain the name manager. First, we shall create the simple function of GP, which stand for gross profit. In name box input GP. It refers to box input equals Lambda. Open bracket input X, which represents sales. Input comma. Input Y, which represents COGS. Input comma. Input X minus Y. Close bracket. In the comments section, add comments. Click Save. We have the user-defined function GP. We shall use GP function to calculate gross profit. Go to cell B17. Input equal to sign. Input GP. Open bracket. Input B15. Input comma. Input B16. Close bracket. We have the gross profit for year 0. Drag B17 to L17 to obtain the GP for the other years. Format the cells appropriately. Now, we shall create a Lambda function for gross profit percentage. Click New in the Name Manager box. In the name box, input GPP, which stands for gross profit percentage. In the refers to box, input equal to sign. Type Lambda. Open bracket. Input X, which represents sales. Input comma. Input Y, which represents COGS. Open bracket. Input X minus Y within a bracket and divide it by X. In the comment box, add comments. Click Save button, and we have GPP function created. Now we shall use the GPP function to calculate gross profit percentage. Go to cell B18. Input equal to sign. Input GPP. Open bracket. Input B15. Input comma. Input B16. Close bracket. We have the gross profit percentage for year 0. Notice we just had to input B15 and B16 within GPP function and nothing else was required. This simplified our work. Format B18 as a percentage and drag it to L18 to calculate the gross profit percentage for all the years. Now we shall create a Lambda user-defined function for compounded annual growth. We have seen earlier that the formula is complicated. Click New in the Name Manager. In the name box, type CAGR. In refers to box, input equals to sign, input lambda. Open bracket, input X on which CAGR will be calculated. Input comma, input Y which is the base year data. Input comma, input N which represents the year. Input comma, open bracket, input Y divided X within bracket. Input caret sign. Input within bracket 1 divided by N. Input -1, close bracket. Write comments in the comments box. Click Save to create the CAGR function. Now we shall use the function to calculate the compounded growth rates of sales, COGS, and gross profit. Go to C20. Input equal to sign. Type in CAGR. Open bracket. Input B15. Input comma. Input C15. Input comma. Input C14. Close bracket. The CAGR for year 1 is computed. Dollarize B of B15. Dollarize 14 of C14. This will enable us to copy the formula of C20 to other cells. Drag C20 to L22 to copy the formula and obtain CAGR of sales, COGS, and gross profit for all the years. We have demonstrated that we can create user-defined function of any complicated formula and thereby make our life easier. Is the list of my social media accounts. Feel free to connect with me. If you find the video useful to you, please click like, subscribe to my channel, and press the bell icon to get notification as soon a new video is uploaded. Feel free to leave your comments to improve my channel.